Hello, welcome to Sharon Be Making Stuff. Today I have an exciting recipe to share with you guys. Why? Because it's a no-bake, 2-ingredient dessert that literally takes less than 10 minutes to prep. This is a creamy yogurt jello dessert, and it is perfect for Valentine's Day coming up if you want to do a little something for a special someone, or like I always say, just make it for yourself and enjoy it without having to share. Let's go ahead and get started. So for ingredients, there is not an extensive list. You'll only need 1 pack of Jello mix in whatever flavor that is your favorite, and 1 cup of boiling water to dissolve the Jello mix in, as well as 1 cup of Greek yogurt. And I find that Greek yogurt actually works the best for this because it's thick and high in protein, which is a plus as well. So you can stop there, or if you want to get a little fancy, you can add some toppings, and today I use some whipped cream. Might I recommend to get the real stuff, not this coconut version or light versions, because they just don't hold shape very well and they just get very melty very quickly. You can also use chopped strawberries or like Oreo cookies or sprinkles if you want to spice it up and make it a little bit more appealing and tasty. And speaking of being fancy, if you want to prepare this dessert in a cute little ramekin like I did today, you can do that. Or if you want, just prepare it in a regular glass cup, and that will also look really nice. Okay, so first things first, we're going to dissolve the Jello mix into the hot water and mix it until it is all dissolved. Next, you can transfer this mixture into a blender and blend it until it is nice and bubbly. You will have to wait for this mixture to cool down before adding the yogurt because you don't want it to curdle or anything like that. So once the Jello mixture has cooled to about room temperature, then you can add in the yogurt, and you're going to continue to blend that on high for about a minute until it is nice and foamy and bubbly. Now you can go ahead and transfer the yogurt Jello mixture into the ramekins or the glass cups, and you're going to refrigerate them for about an hour until they are completely set. And you will know when they are completely set when you try to jiggle them and they are pretty solid. So I've also attempted this recipe with some orange Jello mix just to test it out. Same steps, same ingredients, and instead of the ramekins, I'm using glass cups today. And I am also a big fan of this presentation, so you can choose which one you like better and customize it however you like. Oh, and also, this is how the orange one turned out. I really like it in the glass, and I just topped it with whipped cream, and instead of strawberries, I did a slice of orange, and it turned out chef's kiss. Also, you can do a little mint leaf on the side if you want to add a little bit of green on there. Just a thought, I think it'll look really nice. I also found that the orange flavor and the whipped cream together tasted like an orange-sicle, and I was very happy about it. And just a little tip to only put on the toppings right before you're about to serve them or eat them, so the toppings will look more fresh and presentable. Also, if you're wondering about portion sizes, this recipe makes 4 servings, but you are free to adjust accordingly. And voila, you are ready to serve and enjoy this super delicious and easy to make yogurt jello dessert. It was actually incredibly tasty, more tasty than I expected from such a simple recipe actually. And the texture of it is kind of like a mousse dessert, but half the amount of work, which is awesome. I also love how the yogurt adds some tartness to it, so it's not too heavy and very enjoyable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Sharon Be Making Stuff, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!